Hello everybody, welcome to 3 Minute Investor, where I give investment how-tos and information in under 3 minutes. Today I'm going to show you guys how to buy and sell options on Ethereum as a US investor. A little bit about FTX US derivatives. They're available to both retail and institutional investors 24/7. They offer physical settlement of all contracts, block trading, and algorithmic trading opportunities for institutional investors, and direct access for all traders. Now that I've given a brief intro to the FTX US derivatives platform, I'll take you guys through the contract specs of the Ethereum options. Here's the Ethereum option contract spec. Each contract size is 0.10 Ethereum, meaning that it takes 10 contracts to have one full Ethereum. It's important to note that there's a difference in the size of contracts between Ethereum and Bitcoin. Bitcoin, for example, has 0.01 Bitcoin per contract, meaning that it takes 100 contracts to fill one Bitcoin. Running through some of the other specs, you'll see that this is a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week market. It is running all the time. The block minimum, this is something that you'll likely not be dealing with. This is meant for privately negotiated transactions. Every contract is 0.1 Ethereum, so you could trade just one contract and it's not a problem. Also, the trading fees, each contract is 15 cents per contract, or 20% of the option premium per contract. It just comes down to which is the lower of the two. Jumping over to the platform interface, I've clicked on Ethereum on the top and options right there, and I'm going to do a call option. The calls are on the left and the puts are over here on the right. The strikes in the middle and the days till expiration are on the top there. As you can see, they go in terms of order from the closest expiration to the longest from today. So I'm just going to do, let's say 3,500 because that's relatively close to the price. And I'm going to just click on the ask just so I can get this trade off as quick as possible. And I can see there's also open interest there, meaning that there are sellers. So I could see down here that the seller is looking to sell one contract. The ask price is for a full Ethereum. Because I'm just doing one contract, it'll be 1/10 of that cost, so I'll just do one. And you'll see what I'm talking about, where the premium, which is how much I'll pay, will be $13.30 along with a 15-cent fee. Obviously, you could sell puts, you could sell a call, you could really do a lot of other things, but this is just one example of a trade. Also, if you're new to trading options, this website has a lot of great resources. They show daily volume, they have market data, they even have risks showing the Greeks as well as the volatility of all the options and their strikes. So this is a great place to start.